So welcome again, Gladiators, to another video. Now we're starting university here. At first, we have class area and two classes or two classrooms, and we have the little bathroom. And this is the main hallway. It's just a little bit small, so guys, we're gonna add more in this video. So right now, yung profit natin ay bumaba. It's negative 143. I think this is the revenue or the income. And our electricity bill is 170 or 125 over. Yeah, major expensive, guys. We have 5 on computers here, so we're gonna play on it. Another one. So right now I have plane. Oh, another more. So today we have 4,911 money, and ano bang gagawin natin dito? But first we're going to create the fitness. So we're going to add a bicycle one. Or a treadmill, probably the treadmill. What is this? CrossFit. Oh, this one. This is investment. Oh, okay. Motivation. So let's add it. And we're going to add classroom here. So it's ano ba ito? Professor room. Oh, and do it. So let's do it. But before we continue, please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates. This is the video I posted for about 2 months ago. I mean, no. Wrong grammar. 2 buwan na sulat nung mag-upload ulit ng video. It's been 2 months since I uploaded another video. So today we spend around about, or we spend $1,000. We upgraded on the fitness room and add another room. This looks like a dean area. Para sa mga meeting ng mga deans, mga professors, mga gayon. Ewan ko lang. So ngayon, dahil sa problem ng bansa natin is education, so try natin masolve dito. So let's try. Let's another one. No. Mamaya muna. Siya nga pala si Professor Layla. Yung mga professor natin yun. Si Layla, is ML. Pati si UC. Tapos ang stock natin ay wala pa. Ito tayong stock. So dito ay maglalagay tayo ng mga chairs, malaman. Ito muna. Mas importante ito eh. Mamaya. Professor room mo, another 1,000. Done. So let's build the chairs, probably. Siya upgrade. Oh, 435 negative na siya, guys. Pero since nagsisimula pa lang tayo dito sa university natin, mag-alala. May chance pa, there's chance. Gusto pa nga ba ito? Nag-repeat. Okay, claim natin yan para may pera tayo. 4,000 na siya, guys. So, mag-game ko yan. Kailangan na natin na yung ano to. Dean's building. So mamaya mo na tayong pera. So mamaya yung mga stop natin dito. Wala pa tayong janitor, pwede siya maging may coffee ba ito? Wala tayong coffee. There's no coffee around our university, but soon we'll get it. Low-bat na siya, guys. So I think she's been a little bit tired. So we need to add a dorm. What's this? Studies. Oh, may sports. Okay, paano siya? Dude! 3 million! Medyo malaking gastos natin ngayon. Congratulations, we successfully completed our first university course. Thank you. Our first students have already graduated since the university only offers 1 year courses for the moment. 1 year? Akala ko 4 years yun. Grabe naman to. Katalin ng mga estudyante ko ba? No, not Bisaya guys. Ang kapampangan. Now we can take part in university competitions with our best students from the last graduate. Oh, sorry. Ipayapayan ang balik. Nasa balo. Thank you, Mr. Felipe. You can take part in. They take place at a specific time, so you need to check when you want to take part in. Okay. Okay. Take part. Okay. First prize. Okay. Highly motivated students with very high score in humanities. Yes. So, sino dito? So, si Mrs. Claire. Wow, malaki naman yan. Para siya si Galeno. This looks like a gambling, but we'll invest. Invest. Poor boys. Yes. Good. 1 year course. Oh, they're sleeping by the bike. Guarding surfaces of energy bathroom is so siyempre yung mga graduate you need to upgrade. Freshmen and the juniors want to the rooms. Right on ba? So what did it say? Physiology stuff. Oh, we lost judging party money. That's about negative 2,887 na lang pera natin guys. Over 1 credit card. Baho talaga ng inyo. Kasi So, philosophy. So, kung nagtataka kayo kung anong pangalan ng university natin, hindi po siya De La Salle, hindi po siya UP, hindi po siya De La Salle, not Oxford, not Michigan, that's all very on name, but that's the name. But, Tanay Mabay University is Basilio University. Name after myself. So, what is the name of Basilio University? Yeah, that's what I need. Very nice. That's the one. Oh, what's this? You have one? Oh, so results. Yeah, thank you. Congratulations, Mrs. Claire, for winning our first competition, and you will receive an honor from the university campus. Dean's Building. Oh, this is Dean's Building. Yes. Bro. Okay. Let's spin. That's the canteen, right? That's the canteen. So we need to add at the table here. Oh, man. So I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for everything, guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. Thank you for watching until the end. Thank you. The blood years. Thank you for everything. This is the end of our video today. Thank you.